Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, paper 12, November 2014, question 31. Which object is least likely to contain aluminum? A bicycle frame. So a bicycle frame needs to be lightweight, so it can be made from aluminum. So aluminum would be present. A hammer. A hammer needs to be very strong and hard and heavy. So this is usually made from iron and not from aluminum. A saucepan, cooking utensils. Because aluminum is able to resist corrosion, it will be used to make saucepan. An aeroplane body, aluminum is used to make aeroplane bodies because of its strength and its low density. So bicycle frame, saucepan, and aeroplane bodies are all made by aluminum, while a hammer is made by using iron, making option B the correct option for this question. Question 32. Which method can be used to obtain ammonia from ammonium sulfate? Heated with an acid? No. Ammonium sulfate is an acidic salt. It would not react with an acid, it would react with an alkali or a base. So the next is it heated with an alkali? Yes, this would produce ammonia. Heated with an oxidizing agent? Ammonium sulfate, and in ammonia there is no change in oxidation number, so it is not a redox reaction. So heating it with an oxidizing agent will have no effect. And last one is heat it with the reducing agent. Just like oxidizing agent, heating it with the reducing agent will also have no effect. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 33. Which is an air pollutant that affects a part of the body other than the lungs and the blood system? So we've got lead compounds. Lead compounds are poisonous to the mental capacity, so it affects the brain. Nitrogen affects the lungs. No, nitrogen will have no effect. Oxides of nitrogen will affect the lungs, which is the next option. And sulfur dioxide will also affect the lungs. So this makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 34. Which statement about methane is not correct? It is a liquid produced by distilling petroleum. No, methane is produced by decaying vegetable matter. So this is incorrect. It is produced as vegetation decomposes. Yes. It is produced by animals such as cows. Yes. Upon digestion of grass. And it is used as a fuel. Yes. It is biogas or natural gas. So option A is the correct option for this question. Question 35. Which method of purification would produce water most suitable for drinking? Direct filtration of muddy river water, chlorination of muddy river water, settlement and filtration of muddy river water, or filtration and chlorination of muddy river water. So out of these options, if we filter the muddy river water, the mud is removed and all insoluble solid matter will be removed. And by chlorinating it, we would kill bacteria. And by doing so, the water will become good enough to be used for drinking. So this makes option D the correct option for this question. Question 36. Which molecular structure shows hexene? So hexene needs a double bond present, that is there in A. No double bond is present in B. This is an alkane. C has an OH group but no double bond, so C is an alcohol. And D has a carboxylic group present. So it is a carboxylic acid. So B, C, and D, due to being different functional groups than alkenes, get eliminated. And A is the answer, but let's count the number of carbon atoms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes. So 6 carbon atom alkene is called hexene. So this makes option A the correct option for this question. Question 37. Increasing the number of atoms in one molecule of a hydrocarbon increases the amount of energy released when it burns. What is the correct order? So ethene is C2H4, ethane is C2H6, and methane is CH4. So the number of atoms in one molecule in ethene is 6, in ethane is 8, and in methane is 5. So the one with the least energy would be methane. So this eliminates options A and B. The second one would be the one having 6 atoms, which is ethene. So this eliminates option C. And the one with the highest release of energy would be ethane having 8 atoms, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 38. Which statement about alkenes is not correct? The functional group is C double bond C. Yes, this is correct. The structural difference between one member and the next is CH3. No, the structural difference is always the difference of a CH2 group. They form a homologous series. Yes, alkenes are a homologous series of compounds. They turn aqueous bromine from brown to colorless. Yes, this is a test for unsaturation or for the presence of a double bond. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 39. The diagram shows 3 repeat units in the structure of an addition polymer. So the repeat unit is this part of the polymer. So this is made from carbon double bonded to carbon, one carbon having 2 hydrogen attached to it via covalent bonding, and the other one having 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine atom attached to it via covalent bonding. Which alkene monomer is used to make this polymer? So first of all, we need a double bond between the 2 carbon atoms. This eliminates options A and B. In option C, we've got a carbon with 2 hydrogen and a carbon with 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. This seems correct. And the last one has each carbon atom having 1 hydrogen and 1 chlorine on it, making this incorrect and making option C the correct option for this question. Question 40. Ethanol can be manufactured from substance X. So substance X plus steam in the presence of a catalyst produces ethanol. So substance X has to have 2 carbon atoms and a double bond because steam is added onto it. So substance X is ethene. So the question is, what is substance X? Carbon dioxide, no. Ethene, yes. Hydrogen, no. And oxygen, no. So this makes option B the correct option for this question.